So I'll be showing you how to enable the tap to wake screen on your Galaxy A36. So if you want to be able to just tap the screen to wake it up, you can do that by going into settings. Under settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that, and then under advanced features, go to motions and gestures, tap on that, and then look for double tap to turn on screen. Okay, so you want to enable that. And also you can enable double tap to turn off screen. So you can be able to wake the screen and put it to sleep just by double tapping on the screen. So now that we have all those enabled, if you double tap on the screen, it goes off. And if you double tap on the screen, it wakes up. And you can go ahead and unlock your phone without using the side button. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.